Fine girl from Zimbabwe. She is Kata. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I know you see me looking good. If you have oily skin and you're trying to glow this summer, I'm going to show you how you can do that with this makeup look. I hope that this video can help you if you also have oily skin and you are trying to glow this summer and not end up like a grease ball or whatever. Anyways, so let's get right into the video. I already did my brows off camera. If you guys want me to do an eyebrow routine, just let me know in the comments down below and I will record that for you guys. Anyways, my eyebrows, I don't know, they have a mind of their own, so they don't really listen to what I tell them to do. Anyways, I will still do the video if you guys want me to. Your base is the key to this video, guys. Your base is the key to the finished look of this makeup, especially if you have oily skin. I am telling you, this is key. I'm pretty sure that everybody's like, you know, a lot of people been knowing about this, but I'm just telling you that this is key. So I go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Primer. I focus it more in my problem areas, which is my T-zone, especially around my nose area. Next thing you want to do with your base is take a translucent powder, setting powder, whatever the case may be. Mine is from Black Opal, and you want to lightly dab around the skin. A light layer, you guys. You don't want to pack it on there. What this is gonna do is gonna ensure that the translucent powder catches any oils that form on your skin before it goes to your foundation, I guess. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the color on the Carrot Chocolate. Gonna be using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer. A little goes a long way with this, you guys. You do not need that much, just a little dab, literally. For extra brightness, I'm gonna go ahead with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Oh, the color of the concealer is Deep Cinnamon. For this, it is Medium Honey. Just literally a dot, you guys. Like that. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty powder in the color Honey for my under eye, just a little bit on there. Then you take any bronzer you have. I use an old powder from Maybelline. It's an old dark powder from Maybelline. That's what I use. So I contour from the top of my my cheekbones right here. Or bronze or whatever. Now I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty in the color Nutmeg. Fenty Beauty powder in the color Nutmeg. Just to chisel out my contour. I go in with a brown lip liner. Go ahead and line my lips. Then I take my Fenty Beauty gloss in Fenty Glow. Gloss bomb in Fenty Glow. I go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Tiramisu. Then I go in with my Sephora Outrageous Effort Volume Plump Effect Lip Gloss. I feel like this has a specific color. Color number 2. You can see it. Color number 2. Then I go in with a Beauty Supply lip gloss. Now that I am done with my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and spray with the Fix Plus matte setting spray from MAC. Shake it well, you guys, otherwise it turns white if you don't. Guys, this hair is synthetic. This video is not about the hair, but this hair is synthetic. And if you want to know the details for this wig, I am going to put the little thing, and it's gonna be in the description box down below, so you can go check that out. To finish off the rest of my makeup, I use any wet eyeliner, and I put 3 dots. Oh, I put 3 dots right under my my right eye, and then a dot right under my nose, and then this side of my nose, and then this side of my lip and my chin, because I have a booty spot right there. And then anywhere else I have a pimple, I put a dot on it, just so anywhere else I have a pimple, I put a dot on it just so it's not too obvious. For my highlighter, I use this Wet n Wild one from the beauty supply store. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the final finished look of the makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys are going to be glowing this summer. If you want to see more makeup videos from me, don't forget to comment that in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my social media platforms. I will see you guys in my next video. Got me feeling like Mugabe.